Our design vision to meet the brief was to find a way to provide a large number of units for the college while trying to blend the massing of the new buildings into the quite delicate urban context. We used design features such as breaking up the facades into a number of gables, stepping the facades out and backward along the street elevations to create a similar appearance of gables and chimneys and the rhythm of the surrounding houses. The life and colour variation in the brick helped us a great deal to achieve the design vision. We needed to find ways to break down the large elevations into smaller components, and we used the brick bond and other brick features such as projecting bricks, soldier courses and different coloured bricks to achieve this. We looked into bricks from a range of manufacturers, but we settled on bricks from Van der Sanden because they were just the right type of brick with the right texture, surface finish and colour variation that were ideal for the project.